Hey there, if you're watching this, you're probably tired of spending a fortune on car detailing and want to do it yourself without sacrificing quality. Well, I've bought and tested 5 dual action polishers to save you the hassle and the cash. I've put these machines through their paces, and I'm excited to share my honest experience so you can make an informed choice. Let's dive into the world of polishing. Product number 1, GVLIFE Buffer Polisher. When I first got my hands on the GVLIFE Buffer Polisher, I was genuinely impressed by its robust construction. Weighing in at just 4.5 pounds, it felt surprisingly solid yet manageable. The first task I tackled was my old sedan, which had seen better days. With a 1600W motor, this polisher promised a lot, and it did not disappoint. The smooth operation was noticeable right off the bat. I used the included foam pads and wool pads to see how well it could remove oxidation and minor scratches. To my delight, it handled these imperfections with ease. The variable speed control was a huge plus. Given the 7 speed settings, I could easily adjust based on the surface I was working with. When I cranked it up to 3,500 RPM, I saw a noticeable difference in the shine of the paint. I felt like I was watching my car transform back to its former glory. Pros and cons, let's break that down. On the pro side, the motor is powerful and the variable speed control really allows you to customize your approach. The detachable handles made it easy to switch my grip, and I appreciated the safety lock which prevented accidental starts. However, the packaging could have been better organized, as I found myself rummaging through the storage bag to find the right pad. Additionally, while the machine was effective, I did notice it could get a little warm after prolonged use, so taking breaks was necessary. So why should you buy the GVLIFE Buffer Polisher? If you're looking for a reliable, powerful tool that can handle a variety of surfaces, not just cars, this polisher is an excellent choice. It's versatile enough for automotive detailing, boat maintenance, and even furniture polishing. Plus, with a 2-year warranty, you can buy with confidence knowing that the company stands behind its product. Product number 2, LDHTHOPI Buffer Polisher. Next up, I tested the LDHTHOPI Buffer Polisher. At first glance, this polisher with its striking blue color looked quite appealing. Weighing slightly more than the GVLIFE at around 5 pounds, it felt sturdy in hand. Right from the start, I was ready to put its 1600W motor to the test. I decided to start with the medium speed for polishing my car's hood, and the results were remarkable. It effectively removed fine scratches and left a gleaming finish. The versatility of using it in 3 different ways, directly with a D handle or with a side handle, was fantastic. I found myself switching grips frequently, especially during longer sessions, which helped reduce fatigue. However, there were a couple of downsides. While it excelled in polishing, it was a bit noisy compared to the GVLIFE, which might be a concern for some users. Additionally, the pads provided were effective but required a little more finesse to achieve the desired results. Why buy the LDHTHOPI Buffer Polisher? If you're looking for flexibility and comfort during use, this machine is a strong contender. It's perfect for those who want to tackle not just cars, but also furniture and floors, providing excellent value for its price. The performance is solid, and with a bit of practice, you can achieve professional results right at home. Product number 3, AOBEN Car Buffer Polisher. The AOBEN Car Buffer Polisher was next on my list, and I was eager to see how it would perform. With a price tag that's friendly to the wallet, I was curious about whether it could stand up to its pricier counterparts. This polisher features a dual-action random orbital motion that helps achieve a swirl-free finish. I began my testing with the 6 speed settings, which range from 1,000 to 4,500 RPM. The lower speeds were perfect for wax application, while the higher speeds worked wonders for removing scratches. One thing I appreciated was the ergonomic design. It felt comfortable in my hands during extended use. The detachable side handle was an excellent touch, allowing for various grip styles based on personal preference. However, I found that the machine did tend to bog down a bit under heavy pressure, so I had to be cautious not to overdo it. When it comes to pros and cons, the AOBEN shines with its affordability and effective performance across a range of surfaces, from cars to wood and metal. The included foam and wool pads were useful, but I did wish for more variety. The downside, it could get a bit too warm after prolonged use, necessitating breaks to cool it down. So should you buy the AOBEN Car Buffer Polisher? Absolutely. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on performance, this polisher is a fantastic choice. It's user-friendly and versatile, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced users alike. Product number 4, SPTA 5-inch Dual Action Polisher. The SPTA 5-inch Dual Action Polisher was a game changer for me. With its powerful 750W motor and a no-load speed of up to 5,200 RPM, I was excited to see how it would handle tougher jobs. The first thing I noticed was its lightweight design, which made it easy to maneuver over the curves and edges of my vehicle. I started with a low speed for waxing, and as I gradually increased the RPM, I was impressed by how quickly it removed swirl marks and imperfections. The variable speed control was a standout feature. With 6 different settings, I could easily adjust based on the task at hand, whether it was buffing, polishing, or sanding. I particularly liked the constant power feature. It provided consistent performance that made it easier to work without interruptions. The detachable handle also allowed for different grip orientations, which was a thoughtful design choice. On the downside, while the performance was stellar, I did find the noise level to be slightly higher than I expected. Additionally, the included accessories were limited compared to other brands, which left me wanting more options. So why buy the SPTA Dual Action Polisher? It's an excellent investment for anyone serious about car detailing. The powerful motor, lightweight design, and variable speed control make it a reliable choice for achieving that showroom shine. If you're looking for something that can handle a variety of tasks while remaining user-friendly, this polisher should be on your radar. Product number 5, Chemical Guys TORQX Dual Action Polisher. Finally, I had the opportunity to test the Chemical Guys TORQX Dual Action Polisher. When I opened the kit, I was greeted with a comprehensive 13-piece set that included everything needed for full detailing. The first thing that struck me was the robust build quality of the polisher itself. It felt professional grade and was surprisingly easy to handle. The motor provided consistent power, and I was thrilled with how effective it was at removing swirls and scratches. The versatility of this kit was impressive. It came with cutting, polishing, and finishing pads, which made it easy to achieve different levels of shine. I love that I could switch pads without hassle. This saved me time and added convenience. One minor drawback was that the initial learning curve was a little steep for beginners, but with a bit of practice, it became second nature. In terms of pros and cons, the Torx kit excels in its comprehensive nature. It's perfect for both beginners and seasoned pros, offering everything needed to achieve professional results. However, the price point might be a deterrent for some, but considering the quality and performance, it's worth the investment. Should you buy the Chemical Guys TORQX Dual Action Polisher? If you're serious about car care and want a kit that covers all your bases, this is the way to go. It provides excellent value for anyone looking to elevate their detailing game to a professional level. So there you have it, my honest reviews of the top 5 dual action polishers on the market. Each product has its strengths and weaknesses, but they all deliver solid performance. If you're ready to take your car detailing to the next level without breaking the bank, any of these options would serve you well. Choose based on your needs and you'll be well on your way to achieving a showroom shine right at home. Happy polishing!